Boo Radley's dead. He never speaks to him.
Yeah, not surprising. He's an old creep.
So you heard about the case?
Oh yeah, Tom Robinson.
My daddy's a lawyer. Boo Radley lives up in there all by himself.
Wonder what he does. He'd have to stick his head out sometime.
Out when it's pitch dark. I've seen him in our backyard many a morning. I've heard him scratching over there on our windowsill one night.
I wonder what he looks like.
His tracks. He's about 6.5 feet tall. He eats raw squirrels and any cats he can catch. His teeth are yellow and they're all rotten. And he drools and his eyes pop out.
Let's make him come out.
Make Boo Radley come out?
Himself killed, then go up and knock on that door.
Yeah, too scared to put your big toe in the front yard.
I ain't scared. I'm just respectful.
I dare you.
You dare me? Let me think a minute.
Just touch the house. I dare you.
Touch the house? That's all I gotta do?
He'll probably come on out after you. Then me and Scout will jump on top of him, just telling him that we want to take a good look at him. Well?
Don't hurry me.
Scout and me's right behind you. Folks where I come from aren't so scared. I've never seen such scary folks as here.
So there!
Someone's at the window. Look at the curtains.
He was watching. He saw me. He sets the stage for the movie because Boo Radley is a very scary character because he's a hermit and he never comes out.
And there's a very mean history behind his character.
The whole community is afraid of him, basically.